Hello. I'm back with another unboxing slash product tour, actually, review. This is something useful, actually. I love reviewing useful things. I try and actually review only things that I find and think are going to be useful for me in my life that I can actually use. And this is the Seniore. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. It's Seniore 510-piece eyeglass repair kit, 45 kinds of small screws, nose pad set, 2 screwdrivers for sunglasses, watch, jewelry, fixing, universal. That is the listing on Amazon, and it is only $8.99 actually, prime shipping. Now, I wear glasses, my wife wears glasses, my kids wear sunglasses, we have jewelry, stuff like that. I have, other things. I bought in the little tiny eyeglass repair kits and that you get at the dollar store and whatever, but they're, whatever. They don't have all this stuff in them. Now, this here, as you can see, it comes in this little box here like this. This is how it shipped to me, by the way. It was just in a padded envelope, so there's really no unboxing, unpacking, nothing like that here. We do have a little diagram here that tells you what's in here. Nose pads, anti-slip holders, accessories for tool repair, normal screw, thumb screw 1.2 millimeter, thumb screw 1.4, normal screw 1.4, normal screw 1.6, and then there are washers and nuts in here actually. There's both, and we have a little clip to keep it. Now each thing, except for the nose pads, comes in a small zip style bag for you during shipping, of course. But I'll take it all out. Down here on the bottom, we have this, which is our common lens cleaning kit, or lens cleaning cloth, not kit. Sorry. Let's put that back in there. Then we have a tiny, neat little hooked. Now, if you can see that there, they are hooked tweezers. To this way you can hold. The idea would be you put the screw in here in place, and then you use your screwdriver and start screwing it in. Because these screws are tiny. Now we have 2 screwdrivers here with little rings on the back of it for you to make it easier. Now this here, there's a hex head on here, but there's no didn't come with any hex bits to actually use for it. The screwdrivers are inside. There is a Phillips and a slotted there, and then this one here is basically the same thing. You get 2 of them. I believe they are different sizes. Maybe not. I don't know. They kind of look like it though. But anyway, and there are little rubber washers in there, which is kind of nice actually. It keeps it sealed and keeps moisture out, stuff like that. I'm not sure why the hex pieces are on there, on the ends here. Oops. This one is actually adjustable, and then this one, it just has a hex head in there like that. Not sure why, but whatever. But yeah, see, this one here actually comes apart, and you can put a bit in there. I guess if you have smaller bits or whatever. These can be used for jewelry, whatever. But here are the nose pads. I've got a bunch of little extra nose pads for you here, which, come in handy. These are anti-slip, what they call, for their earpieces, actually, which is interesting. I've never really seen anything like that before, but okay, whatever. I'm really not going to take these out of the bags right this second because they are tiny, and I will get them to lose them all over the place. These are assorted sizes, if you can see that there. They are all assorted little sizes in there. And then these ones here they are a Phillips head there. I'm not sure how they call them a thumb screw, but hey, whatever. Because I don't know how I would get my thumb on there. But here's these ones here. As you can see, they're assorted sizes. And then these are self-tapping, actually. And they are assorted sizes as well. I believe it says there's 11 different sizes. Let me see if I can grab the specs real quick here. Yeah, there are 12 different lengths in here. 13 pieces of each length. And then here are 6 different lengths. Each length contain, I guess, I don't know, it doesn't say. Then there are 11 different lengths here, and then there are 11 different lengths on these ones. And then here are, these are washers. They're assorted washers, actually. As you can see, there's different ones in there. And there's tiny little nuts as well. For $9, I think this kit is very well worth it. I will be putting it to use. I mean, not just for glasses, of course, which, I will use them for, but numerous other things too. Like my wife asks me all the time, can I fix her jewelry, fix a watch, fix this, fix that? And, it's just like I have to scrounge for screws and whatever. And something like this is great. Everything's together for you. But, yeah, I like it a lot. I'm very happy with it. I will put it to very good uses. There, glasses repair kit, universal glasses repair kit essentially, but it's also for watches and jewelry and other things like that, which I'll be using it for. Anyway, the washers. It says they're stainless washers, plastic convex washers. Oh, so okay, so there we go then. But they are stainless steel, the screws and nuts, which is nice, of course. But that's it. Seniore 510 piece eyeglass repair kit. Very much worth it, I think. Thanks.